Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the key switch in your snowblower, make sure the engine has cooled. You can use an 8mm socket to unthread 5 of the 6 bolts securing the muffler cover. You will need to use an 8mm wrench to unthread the 6th bolt. Use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting bolt, securing the housing to the rear bracket. Next, unthread the screws to release the 2 retaining clamps, holding the housing to the handle. Now use a 1/2" socket to fully unthread the upper bolts, securing the handle assembly. Lower the handle, and you can fully remove the muffler cover. Remove the ignition key from the switch. Disconnect the wires from the switch terminals. Depress the side retaining tabs, and you can slide out the old switch. Install the new key switch by snapping it into place in the control housing. Connect the wires to the terminals. Insert the ignition key into the new switch. Reposition the muffler cover and thread the 6 bolts to secure. Reposition the handle assembly and rethread the upper bolts. Align the 2 retaining clamps and thread the screws to secure the housing to the handle. Rethread the mounting bolt to secure the housing to the rear bracket. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.